To use an Apple Card and make purchases, start by ensuring you have the card set up in your Wallet app on your iPhone. If you have not already added the Apple Card, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your card. Once your Apple Card is set up, you can use it to make purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted, both online and in stores. To make a purchase in a store, first make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is unlocked. Then look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Next, hold your device near the contactless reader, and you will be prompted to authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If you are using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button to authenticate. To make a purchase online, select Apple Pay as the payment method at checkout. Then authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use your Apple Card to make purchases in apps by selecting the Apple Pay option at checkout. It is also important to note that you can use your Apple Card to make cash withdrawals at ATMs, although this may incur fees. To do this, you will need to request a physical Apple Card, which can be done through the Wallet app. In addition to making purchases, you can also keep track of your spending and rewards through the Wallet app. The app provides a clear breakdown of your transactions, as well as any rewards you have earned. You can also use the app to pay your balance and set up recurring payments. To get the most out of your Apple Card, make sure to understand the rewards program, which offers cashback on certain purchases. You can also take advantage of the card's security features, such as two-factor authentication and real-time transaction monitoring. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Apple Card to make purchases with ease and confidence, and get the most out of the card's rewards and features.